Have you ever wondered what it's like to be caught in a game of international ping pong? Well, Israel and Iran might just be giving us a glimpse. Picture this. The ball is a drone and the paddles, well, they're anti-aircraft systems. The game took a serious turn recently with the downing of drones in Isfahan. A stark reminder that this isn't just a friendly match. Meanwhile, the court has extended beyond the borders of these two nations, with attacks spilling over into Lebanon. It's like a tennis match on a football field, and the spectators are getting anxious. The international community, from the United Nations to individual nations, are echoing a single refrain, calls for calm and de-escalation. It's like the referee is blowing the whistle, but the players are too engrossed in the game to listen. So as it stands, it seems like a game of Risk, but with a Middle Eastern twist. Now let's turn our attention to the peanut gallery, the international community. Grab your popcorn, folks. It's been a veritable firestorm of opinions, condemnations, and calls for peace. Many nations have stepped up to the podium, expressing their concerns and suggesting solutions. The United Nations, always the voice of reason, has called for immediate de-escalation, emphasizing the importance of dialogue over drones. Meanwhile, the European Union, in its classic style, has offered to mediate talks, hoping to bring some of that old-world charm to the negotiation table. Across the pond, the United States has voiced its support for Israel's right to self-defense, while also urging restraint. And Russia, not one to be left out, has called for respect for national sovereignty, as it keeps a watchful eye on the situation. Now, these responses have made waves, shaping the narrative and influencing the actions of the involved parties. They have the potential to either quell the fire or fan the flames, impacting future relations in this tinderbox region. Well, it seems like everyone has an opinion, just like everyone has a belly button. The question is, whose belly button, opinion, will make a difference? Now, let's switch gears. How about a dash of humor in this otherwise heavy situation? You know, if we're talking about drones being downed in Isfahan, it's almost like we're in a live-action version of the classic video game, Space Invaders. Just imagine, instead of aliens descending from the sky, we've got drones. And our fearless leaders are the players, armed with nothing but their wits and a few high-tech weapons. In another twist, picture this scenario like a Hollywood film, Mission Impossible Middle East. We've got our leading man, let's call him Tom Cruise, Diplomat X, making daring attempts to broker peace amid the chaos. Dodging missiles and drones, he's trying to keep the world from spiraling into World War Z. Or should we say, World War Drone? But in all seriousness, these comparisons serve as a reminder that the real world is far more complex than our favorite video games or movies. It's easy to make light of it from our comfy couches, but the stakes are real, and the players aren't just characters on a screen. And there you have it, folks, the Middle East situation, as seen through the lens of a Hollywood blockbuster. If only the solution was as simple as a movie plot twist.